Today we're commemorating technology reveal. We've developed a new line of CNC machines which actually print 3D metal and machine it. Behind me we have two types of CNC machines. We can build larger parts in the 3-axis machine and more complex parts in the 5-axis machine. In doing so, it allows us to produce parts with internal passageways because we print them and then machine them. We're able to produce parts at a rate that we've never been able to produce them before. Like we can do a body implant with titanium and add copper to it so it cuts down infection. We can also do parts for food processing, for defense, agriculture, and aerospace.
3, 2, 1, whack!